Hello friends! Today, I will show you how to connect the Auto Forwarder bot. First, start the bot. Then, click the designated button to join the required channel. Go back and click Check. A login button will appear. Click it. Regardless of your country, enter the phone number associated with your Telegram ID, including your country code, without any spaces, and send it. The bot will send an OTP. Once you receive the OTP, read the instructions carefully. You must prefix your 5-digit code with the text My Code, like this example, before sending it. Login successful. Now, to add a new source, click the Connection button. The bot will display all the channels and groups associated with your ID. Select your source channel and then select your target channel. Within the target settings, you can allow or block specific links, apply filters, and access various other features, allowing you to customize the settings exactly to your needs. Now go back and start the forwarding process. As you can see, I am sending a message here, and it is automatically being forwarded to the target channel. There are many commands available here. You can explore them all one by one. Now let's move on to the web version. Send the profile command to the bot. It will provide you with a unique access key. Click the provided link to log in via the web interface. From here, you can manage your settings and access advanced features. You can also earn money by referring others. You will receive 101 rupees for every successful referral. Additionally, you can upgrade your plan here, choosing from monthly, yearly, gold, diamond, or platinum options based on your specific requirements. For instance, I will purchase the 999 rupees plan. A QR code will appear. If you are in India, you can pay via UPI and submit the UTR, Unique Transaction Reference number. If you are in another country, select the Pay via Crypto option. Okay, my plan is now active. Let's restart the bot. As you can see, my previous gold plan is listed here alongside the new plan I just purchased. You can also initiate plan upgrades directly through the bot interface. However, ensure you always enter the correct UTR number. Otherwise, an error will occur. Finally, on the web version, you can view your subscription history. Look here. The time, date, amount, and all other transaction details are clearly displayed.